Right then, so we've got our square. We need to drill 2 holes onto the base. It doesn't matter if you haven't rounded the corners just yet. If you have, you can still do it. And what you're going to do is you're going to get this plastic jig that we've made here to help you mark out your holes quickly and easily. And you're going to put the jig over the top of your work to mark out those 2 holes. So I'm just slotting that over the top there. And I'm going to use my pencil. And I'm going to mark out 2 holes. So 1 hole, 2. Make sure it's on properly. Take that away and I've got 2 holes ready to drill. Then what I'm going to do is the following. My hair should be tied back, I should have goggles on, loose sleeves need to be pushed up out of the way, and then we're ready to start. And I said about hair tied back as well if you're obviously one of the girls. Now what you need to do, you need to learn how to turn this on and off. On the side of the pillar drill you've got a green button for go, you've got a red button for stop, and then the emergency stop is this one right down here on the floor, so you can press that there, the emergency stop. When using the machine, I've set it up, so this is what we call the depth stop here, and I've set up these that you can see, and it will stop it going all the way down, because what we want to do is we want to drill the hole roughly about 3/4 down into the wood, not all the way through. So those little bolts that you can see there just stop it going all the way down. So please don't be tempted to fiddle with those. And then what you do is when you come over to the pillar drill, stand straight in front of the pillar drill. You're going to use your hand to keep your work flat, and you've got to press your work down onto this bed of the pillar drill. If you let go, your work's going to spin round, which you don't want. And the other thing you need to make sure as well is just make sure that the guard's down to cover. So what you're going to do, first of all, you keep your hand flat, you use the wheel on the pillar drill, and you just pull the handle down and make sure the drill bit goes onto the hole for where you want to drill. When you're happy and you've got it lined up, let go of the wheel with your right hand. Your left hand should be kept on your work, keeping it flat at all times, and you're going to reach across with your right hand. You're going to turn the machine on, and then we're going to pull the wheel down. Keep your left hand flat on there at all times. Pull the wheel all the way down until it won't go down anymore. Lift the wheel up, turn the machine off, and then you can just get rid of any extra onto the floor, and that's one done, and then we're ready to do the next one.